Hi friends, good evening. So my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today we will learn another program. So today onwards we will learn about patterns. So what patterns? Star patterns. Stars pattern. So in the interviews, the interviewer will ask to print different types of patterns. So star patterns. So it is important to learn each and every patterns. So how can we do it? We will learn. So let us print. The problem statement is you have to print 5 stars in one row. 5 stars in one row. So you have to print like this. So basically, so how can we print? So here we have to print 5 stars. So for 5 stars, we have to use for loop. So we have to use for loop. So which is more than one, we have to use for loop. So here five stars, right? So which is more than one. So that's why we have to use for loop only. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java.util.start. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in int n is equal to sc dot next in. And we will start from int I is equal to 0 to I less than n, like plus plus, and we will check. We will print the star. So print the star each time. So we have to print it in one line, right? And we have to give some space between each star. So that's why I'm giving space. So we are printing star and plus we are concatenating the star and the space. So this is the space. So let us run this program. So I'm giving 5. So it should give 5 stars. See, 5 stars. So how we are printing I is equal to 0 one time up to 5 times. And we are giving some space. It is the space. So this is the space. This is the space. This is the space. So I hope you understand how to print the statements like stars in one line. If you want to print in different line, you will use println. So 5. See. So println means next line. Println means in the same line. So I hope you understand this program. So the basic star pattern program. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends.